ma'am, as you're talking about faith, now this question comes up that when a person starts with tarot card, of course, the level of faith will not be that much. Now, because it will increase with time as he finds out that the readings are coming accurate. But ma'am, how do a reader develops his or her faith? Because the whole game is of faith, now. If the person does not have faith on the cards, then his readings won't be accurate. So, how do
See,
a
the
new or a beginner tarot card reader develops his or her faith on the cards?
first thing, start with the daily reading. Take out a card for yourself every day. Every morning, take out a card. I'll give you a simple exercise. Start with a 21-day cycle. In the morning, you draw out a card for yourself. You read the whatever interpretations you have available. You read it, and then you keep in mind that this card had come in the morning and how my day is going according to that. Do it for 21 days. You'll understand that how that card is working in your life. And the next 21 days, what you're going to do is take out a card, observe yourself the whole day, and then take out a card at night and try to relate it with whatever has happened in your day, whatever experiences, whatever activities you've done in the day. So that will be your interpretation of cards. That is your way of connecting with the cards, and that is how you will understand how cards are working in your life. And
Hmm.
I guarantee that cards always work in our lives. It is only a matter of time.